Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mara Elizabeth here. Today's video I'm super excited about because it's how I'm preparing for my upcoming breast reduction surgery. I am having this surgery in less than a week. I've known about the surgery for about 6 to 7 weeks, and throughout that time I've watched dozens and dozens of other people's breast reduction pre and post operation videos on YouTube, and super helpful. And I thought that I would share how I'm preparing for my post operation recovery with all the different things that I've gathered over the course of the past month. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to highlight the kind of supplements and the operative solutions that my plastic surgeon has recommended. I got this, I think it's pronounced Hibiclens. It is an antimicrobial solution that they want me to shower and use for the 2 days prior to surgery. The other recommendation from my plastic surgeon's office is arnica. This is supposed to help with bruising, 500 milligrams, also muscle soreness. And then they also recommend some kind of supplement for constipation, because when you go through general anesthesia, a common side effect is getting constipated. So I have seen and heard a lot of great things about this oxy powder. I just got this overnighted from Amazon. It was super quick, and this has like a 4.6, 4.7 out of like 15,000 reviews on Amazon. So I think it works pretty well. And what I've read is like you take a couple, I think 2 before bed, and then in the morning it helps you use the bathroom. In terms of nausea is another very common side effect of anesthesia. The anesthesiologist and my plastic surgeon will talk to me about nausea medicine while I'm in the hospital. I'm doing an outpatient surgery, but for just when I'm at home or on my way home, I got some ginger gravel, just like little tablets that are supposed to help with motion sickness and nausea. So I'm actually gonna take these with me in my go bag for the hospital. The other thing that is coming with me for the car ride home, let me grab it. I got a couple of things. This is a mastectomy post-op surgery pillow. I got this off of Amazon. I can link it. And it has a strap that you can strap into. It also has pockets. Basically, you're not supposed to have your seat belt against your chest after the surgery, so you wear it like this. So this will be in my vehicle when I'm ready to go home, and it will be the barrier between the seatbelt and my operated on chest. Another thing that I'm going to bring, I believe I'm going to get drains for, I think the drains are for helping reduce inflammation after the surgery. So I got this little waistband holder that you can have the drains sit in. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. I haven't seen a lot of people talk about how they handled their drains. So this is just gonna be an experiment. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I have it. I think the instructions on my post-op care say that you can pin the drains to your clothing. I don't know. We'll see how this turns out. Other things that I have purchased, I'm a really big thrifter. I would say over 90% of my closet is thrifted. And so because I've had time to prepare for this surgery, I went to the thrift store on their 50% off Saturday, and I found a few different bras that zip in the front, which is what you need after a surgery like this. So this one's nice because it actually Velcros, so you can adjust it really well to fit your body and how your chest is sitting and all of that. It also has a Velcro on the bottom. Again, this is like, I haven't seen a lot of bras like this. I wish I like had a sports bra just historically that was like this, because I think being able to adjust exactly to your body is something that I would have benefited from greatly. So I got this one, and y'all, these were like less than $5. I have the receipts. One was $3.99, $2.99, and $2.50. These bras on Amazon are at least like $30. So I'm really proud that I could find these. And then this is, and I think this is All in Motion. This is the most comfortable of the three that I bought. Also, you might be thinking, oh my gosh, white. But sometimes I've heard that it's good to have a white bra after surgery so you can visually see very easily when your bra needs changed. So once it gets soiled, having a lighter colored bra, it's just visually easier to tell when it needs changed. This one does not have Velcro, but it does have the zip up, and it does have adjustable straps. And it's the most comfortable with this like thick band. I've also seen a lot of people talk about using pads in between your stitches in your area that got operated on and putting it in between that and the bra for comfort. So I do need to pick up some like thick maxi pads for that in case that feels better than just having it sit on my skin. And then this is the last of the three. This is the largest one. This is, I think, Calia. Is that Carrie Underwood's brand? Zips in the front, adjusts in the back. This one is also really comfortable. I have no idea which one is gonna feel the most comfortable once I'm operated on, but I'm excited to have a few different options and a few different styles to choose from, and also just so like my husband can wash my bra and I'll have another bra to have on whenever it's in the wash. So those are the post-op bras that I thrifted. And then a couple other things. I went to Target and found for $5 this little lap stand. Lap desk, not stand. And I think this will be good because I'm gonna be in bed a lot. I'll be able to eat. I'll be able to put my laptop on here. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, so there's also other insert areas where I could put my phone or something else. I don't know if that will fit one of my water bottles, but we'll see. And then when I'm on the move, we live in a 2-story home, and I got this also for $5 from Target. When I'm on the move, let's say from upstairs to downstairs, if I like have pain medicine or my phone or magazines or books or whatever, I got this as well to easily be able to transport from upstairs to downstairs things with just one hand, which is nice. I'll only be able to lift 5 pounds or less, so we'll have to make sure this isn't too heavy, but I think it's going to be a really good thing to have for moving up and downstairs. I also got this little back scratcher because you're not supposed to raise your arms past your shoulders. So like doing this, this extends, and you know, if I get an itchy back, I want to be able to scratch it. Then this is definitely not necessary, but I got, this is like you can use it on your muscles. So this was advertised as like a foot massager. You can also like rub it on your leg or literally anywhere. So I got this. I'm gonna have to be walking and regaining strength in my muscles. So I got this to help with that. Two other big things. I got a pregnancy pillow for like $4 at the thrift store, and it took me a month to find one, and it's huge. Bonked myself. Here it is. It's giant, super big. I'm a side sleeper, and you can only sleep on your back and like elevated. So I'm gonna need as much help figuring that out as possible, and I'm hopeful that this pregnancy pillow will help me in being comfortable. And then the last item that I picked up, this is a wedge pillow system. I got it for, I still need to take the tag off. I got it for $20 at the thrift store. It's like new, and I found it on Amazon. It's this brand. This is like a $57 set that I got for 20 bucks. And you can arrange it in like 12 different ways. Again, I'm gonna have to be sleeping upright for, I don't even know how long, for a while. So sleep is like my #1 priority in life. So I really wanted to figure out and get some resources and things to help figure out how to sleep to the best of my ability. The last item I purchased for this recovery phase is this waterproof chair that I'm going to use for showering for the first week or two. I've seen enough videos to know that the showering in general is pretty tough once you've had surgery, and I got this for $5. So I just need to disinfect it, and we'll be ready to use it for my post-op recovery. That's the haul for my upcoming breast reduction surgery. If you've had a breast reduction surgery and there were other things that were super helpful, feel free to share in the comments below. I will certainly give an update once the surgery has happened. And yeah, I'm really excited, equally anxious, and just ready to get it done. Thanks y'all for joining, and I'll talk to you again soon.